Assalamu alaikum, dear children, parents, students, and followers. Madani Islamic Academy has started a very special mission in the blessed month of Rabiul Awwal. In every class, a 5-minute Durood session has been added. During this time, teachers will not only guide the children to recite Durood, but also explain the greatness of our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, teach the importance of Sunnah, and fill our hearts with the light of His love. But this mission is not just for students. We warmly invite all parents, families, and followers to spare a few minutes every day and join us in reciting Durood. Together, let us spread the habit of Durood in our homes, schools, and communities. Durood Mission, 5 minutes of love, 5 minutes of blessings. Let's join this mission and become true lovers of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Thank you for being part of this blessed journey. Don't forget to follow and subscribe to our channel for more beautiful Islamic lessons and updates.